Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of websites and the various types that exist out there. From informative portals to entertaining platforms, we've got it all covered. So, if you're curious to learn more, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Segment 1: Informational Websites. First up, we have informational websites. These are the go-to places when you're seeking knowledge on specific topics. Whether it's news, articles, or educational resources, these websites are a treasure trove of information. Segment 2: E-commerce websites. Next on the list, we have e-commerce websites. The joy of online shopping. These websites allow you to buy and sell products and services with just a few clicks. Say goodbye to long queues and hello to convenience. Segment 3: Social media websites. Now, who doesn't love connecting with others online? Social media websites are all about creating profiles, sharing content, and engaging with a vibrant community. It's a world of endless possibilities and virtual friendships. Segment 4: Portfolio websites. If you're a creative soul or a professional looking to showcase your work, portfolio websites are the way to go. Here, you can display your projects, art, and accomplishments for the world to see. Segment 5: Business websites. Time to get down to business. Business websites represent companies and organizations. They provide crucial information about their products, services, and how you can get in touch with them. Segment 6: Educational websites. Are you eager to learn new skills or delve deeper into a subject? Educational websites are fantastic resources for students and learners of all ages. They offer courses, tutorials, and valuable insights. Segment 7: Media sharing websites. Feeling like sharing your latest adventure or hilarious cat video? Media sharing websites are your answer. Upload and enjoy a wide array of media content, from images to videos and everything in between. Segment 8: Forum or community websites. Need to discuss a specific topic or seek advice from like-minded individuals? Forum and community websites are the place to be. Engage in discussions, ask questions, and connect with people who share your interests. Segment 9: Government websites. Looking for official information from government agencies? Government websites are here to help. Find out about laws, regulations, public services, and important announcements. Segment 10: Nonprofit websites. Time to highlight the efforts of nonprofits making a positive impact. Nonprofit websites are dedicated to raising awareness, gathering donations, and showcasing their inspiring projects. Segment 11: Personal websites. Everyone has a story to tell, and personal websites are the perfect platform for just that. Express yourself, share your experiences, hobbies, or promote yourself professionally. Segment 12: Entertainment websites. Last but not least, let's talk about entertainment websites. Streaming services, online games, and more. These sites are designed to keep you entertained for hours on end. And there you have it, folks. The diverse world of websites, catering to our every need and interest. Which type of website is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.